Okay, so how do you build the culture code and find people that fit it? How did we do that?
Yeah, we didn't.
Yeah.
We didn't build it. The people that were here were the ones that built it. We spent probably 2 months with
a huge whiteboard
on the wall,
which it wasn't even a whiteboard. It was like ghetto rigged
5 pieces of sticky
paper
paper.
white, yeah, and it was pinned to the wall, curling on the edges.
Yeah.
And we're like, who are we? Who do we want to be associated with? And everyone on the team at the time, who are still with us now, the same core people, we said, who do you want to
What
be
are the
associated
attributes of somebody that you want to work with, and
How do you
who
describe
you believe
Justin?
you are?
How do you describe Jess?
Yep, and we were just writing words on the wall, like driven or leader or motivated.
Gritty.
Yep. And over the course of those 2 months, we filled that paper completely up, and then we started narrowing it down from there. We would
Like
just
literally
start crossing
them
things
out.
off until we ended up with our core values.
Yeah. And then from there, we use it as a part of our interview process now. We actually bring in our culture code and say, hey, this is who we are. This is who we're associated with. This is what the sales room feels like. This is what the operations room feels like.
Yep.
What do you think? Does this scare you?
Does this sound like you?
Yeah. Or does this describe you in some way, shape, or form? And the people that we have brought on, which we're much slower to hire than we have ever been. We held still for a solid 7 months.
Yeah,
and
just
didn't
recently,
hire a single person.
Yep.
And now, just recently, we've opened that door back up and said, okay, we've got 2 seats available at this point to fill. And that's how we've gone through that process now. Because now our culture is extremely tight. It's extremely strong. And we firmly believe that you'll either rise up in that culture or they're going to eat you up and spit you out.
Well, and what's really cool to sit back and watch is that the culture is so strong that if we tried to make a bad hire, what would happen?
Well, it's happened. They don't allow it.
Yeah. So our team literally says no. Our team's it's written down on paper. It is blasted on the wall. It's ingrained within their memory and mind. So they would actually come forward and say, "Hey, this person's not a cultural."
Yeah, which has happened in the last 30 days.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure. So that's how we've done it.
Which is exciting because that's when all of a sudden, that's the spark that ignites the flame, and I'm really excited.
And I think the best part for us as owners of the company that we're creating is it's truly something we're proud to be a part of, which I cannot say was always the case. There were many times where we were both like, what is going on?
Right.
This is not what we envisioned. This is not why we even decided to build a team. So I think that is probably the most rewarding feeling, is going to bed at night and really being like, gosh, I'm proud to be in business with everybody that we're in business with. And I'm proud of the direction we're going in.
Yeah, because, really, we never intended on building this for us. We built this as an incubator for people to achieve whatever it is that they want to achieve. They want to be somebody that makes a specific amount of money every year and just have a very flat career.
Yeah, good
but
enough.
They're happy. Awesome.
Right.
You have somebody that wants to take off like a rocket ship, then we're here. We're ready for it. So
you want to run the company? That's available.
Cool. Earn it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, it's exciting. It's good stuff. And I think we definitely look forward to the challenges that growth brings, for sure.
Yeah, we'll just keep doing it every day.
Yeah. You're a growth monster.
I didn't know that.
You learn something new every day.
Yeah.
As they say.
Yeah, as they say.